and again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you a tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix the name not showing problem on your WhatsApp app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So first of all, what you will do is go to your WhatsApp app, and as you can see in my WhatsApp app, all the names are showing except the numbers that are not saved on my contacts. So as I mentioned that you have to apparently allow permission to your WhatsApp. So what you will do is go to your settings option and then just go to the option called apps, tap on it, and then you will find this another option, apps, tap on it. Simply search the app, and once your app is there, once WhatsApp is there, then your option called permission, tap on that. And as you can see in the allowed section, there is a camera, contacts, microphone, and storage. If you will tap on this contact option, it is allowed. So if you don't have your WhatsApp the access to your contacts, then it can't give you the accurate data, because WhatsApp works with your saved contact details. But if you don't allow it, then it's gonna just show up with the numbers. Let me show you. Just tap on this deny. Let me go back to WhatsApp again. Tap on your WhatsApp app, open it. Now all the contacts that are saved on my mobile phone are here without the names. It's just the numbers are showing right now. So that's why you have to enable this permission to WhatsApp app. Now you will tap on this allow, and you will go back, and yes, again go back to your WhatsApp app. And as you can see, now all the contacts that were just showing without the names now have their names on it, because these contacts are saved on my phone contacts. So this is it for today's video. I hope this video has given you the answer of your questions and your concerns, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.